In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to block websites on Safari. To begin, open the Settings app on your iPhone or iPad. You can find the Settings icon on your home screen. It looks like a gear. Tapping on this icon takes you to a menu filled with options to customize your device. This step is crucial because the Settings app is where you'll find all the controls needed for managing your device's functions. Once you're in the Settings app, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout as it will help you navigate through the process smoothly. Next, tap on Screen Time. Screen Time is a feature designed to help you manage how much time you spend on apps and websites. By selecting this option, you can access various controls that can enhance your browsing experience. This is important because it allows you to monitor and restrict content, ensuring a safer environment for yourself or your children. After tapping, you might see a summary of your daily usage, which can give you insight into your habits. From there, tap on Content and Privacy Restrictions and turn it on. This toggle activates a set of controls that restrict access to certain content. When you switch it on, you may see a prompt asking for a passcode. This passcode is essential for making changes, especially if you're setting up restrictions for a child. It adds a layer of security, ensuring that only you can modify these settings later. Once it's activated, you'll notice additional options appear, allowing you to customize your restrictions further. Now, tap on App Store, Media, Web, and Games. This section provides you with various options to manage apps and content types. By selecting this, you are further refining what types of content can be accessed on your device. It's a vital step in the process, as it lays the groundwork for the specific restrictions you will set. In this menu, you will find options related to apps and online content, giving you control over what can be accessed. Next up, tap on Web Content. This is where you'll be able to manage settings specifically for web browsing. By choosing this option, you focus on the internet aspect of content restrictions. Here, you will find the settings that dictate which websites can be accessed and which ones will be blocked. Understanding this section is key to effectively controlling online access, especially if you want to create a safer browsing experience. Select Limit Adult Websites. This option automatically blocks many adult-oriented sites. It's a useful feature, especially if you're concerned about inappropriate content. By choosing this setting, you are taking a proactive step to ensure a safer online experience. This little step saves you a lot of time later, as it helps filter out unwanted content right from the start. Under Never Allow, tap Add Website. This is where you will specify which websites you want to block. Entering the URL of the website you want to restrict ensures it cannot be accessed through Safari. This step gives you direct control over the browsing experience, allowing you to tailor it to your needs. It might feel like a small action, but it significantly impacts the online environment you create. Enter the URL of the website you want to block. Make sure to type it correctly to ensure that the site is fully restricted. This might include sites that you find inappropriate or distracting. Taking the time to input the correct URL is crucial because any error could mean that the site remains accessible. Once you've entered the URL, you can feel confident that you're taking steps to manage online content effectively. Finally, tap Done. The website will now be blocked in Safari. This action confirms your restrictions are set, and you should see a confirmation appear on the screen. This last step is satisfying because you now have control over your browsing experience. You can always come back to adjust settings as needed, ensuring that your online environment remains safe and appropriate.